Okay, guys, so here's something else we started doing a little bit the other day. Evaluate expressions. So let's do a few of them together. So, guys, here's our problem over here. W, remember, guys, fraction means divide, so W is divided by 2x meaning 2 times x, right? And they told us what x and W are over here. So what does evaluate mean? We're going to plug them in and do the math, right? So this W right here, again, we're told is negative 16. It's divided by 2 times, and we're told over here x is 4. So what we really have is negative 16 divided by 2 times 4 is 8. And now negative 16 divided by 8 is simply negative 2. All right, let's try another one. Guys, I recommend you pause the video and try it yourself and then watch me do it. So this one, we're only given one missing variable, y, and we're told y is 5. Okay, let's plug in 5, right? So we have 5 squared, 5 to the 2 power, minus 7 times with 2. Now normally, guys, times will be shown as a dot, but sometimes they still use little x. Now what? Well, guys, I have a power here. I got to do that first. If there was a parentheses, I would do that first, though, right? Parentheses, then comes powers, then comes multiplier, divide, then comes add or subtract. But anyways, 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. Now I have a minus 7 times 2 still. What do I do next? Do I do the minus or do I do the times? You got to do the times before you ever do a minus. So notice, guys, I have 25 minus, and notice I did not do the minus yet because I have to do 7 times 2, which is 14. And 25 minus 14 is 11. Now, be honest, was there any math in there that was too hard for you to do? Maybe you're still struggling with your powers or your negatives and you're handling bigger numbers and so on. Guys, that's why I need you to do stuff like this in your calculator. Okay? Use a calculator whenever you need it now. Okay, we got one more here. So this time we're told that s is 6. We're going to plug that in. We got 6 squared. Minus u is 19. Now what is 6 squared? Maybe use a calculator to do that, right? Well, that's 6 times 6, which is 36. Now we're going to minus 19. Now let's say you still struggle doing subtraction with 2-digit numbers. Well, that's why we use the calculator. In this case, 36 minus 19 is 17. And we're done. By the way, could you have just typed this in directly in your calculator? Yes, and you would have gotten 17 as well. Bottom line, guys, if there's one thing you learned day one with me is we're using the calculator whenever we need it. And even when we don't really think we need it, we might as well use it to check our answers. Okay? So hopefully you got something out of this video. I'll see you around.